Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Android phone as security camera. If you want to use your Android phone as a security camera, follow these easy steps. Choose a security camera app. Download a security camera app like Alfred Home Security Camera. Install the app on both devices. Install the app on both your old Android phone as a camera and your current phone as a viewer. Sign in or create an account. Open the app on both phones by tapping Open. Then tap Get Started on both and log in with the same account to sync them. Set one phone as a camera. Once logged in, your old Android phone, choose camera mode in the top left to turn it into a security camera. Set the other phone as the viewer. On your current phone, choose viewer mode in the top left to watch the live feed. Position the camera phone properly. Place the old phone in stable location with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Connect to Wi-Fi for a stable connection. Ensure the camera phone is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network for smooth streaming. Enable activity detection. Most apps offer activity detection to alert you when movement is detected. Turn this feature on for extra security. Enable two-way audio. Open the app on your viewer phone to check the live feed from anywhere. On your new mobile phone, tap on the untitled camera. Some apps allow you to talk through the camera to communicate with someone on the other end by tapping the mic icon. Set up cloud or local storage. Choose to save video recordings either to cloud, Google Drive, or an SD card. Use a power source to keep the camera running. Plug the camera phone into a charger to keep it powered 24/7. Activate low power mode. On your old phone, tap on power saving. It reduces screen brightness and enable battery saver mode to prevent overheating. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.